Dibakar Banerjee and his way of thinking always astonishes. LSD, Detective Byomkesh Bakshi, Ghosla Ka Ghosla are our prime example of his works. Although his box office collections are not that much and his movies are always underrated, but his creations are always good to watch. The audience always seeks fresh content to watch to escape from daily life stress, at least for few hours. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to talk about if Sandeep and Pinky Farrar is worth your time and money or not. So please stay till the end. First thing first, storyline. Payanti Chopra, who is playing Sandeep Walia or Sandy, is a director of bank named Parivartan Bank, and Arjun Kapoor as Satinder Dahiya or Pinky is a head constable in Haryana Police Rohtak, but he is currently suspended. Pinky was sent by a senior police officer Tyagi, played by Jaideep Ahlawat, to pick Sandy from a hotel just to find out that it was all a conspiracy to murder them both, but they somehow managed to escape. Game of cat and mouse has begun from then on. You might have seen such a story previously, but this time it's fresh and it's good to see unexplored area of cinema. No such story has been narrated before. The plot is related on the ground reality of several circumstances where a society divides into an elite segment and a more of a conventional people. The dilemma of both sections surfaces from time to time. The film showcases how patriarch nature of society is forced onto women's shoulder is also shown in the film in a very subtle way. In one scene where Sandeep had to use a public washroom and the disgust on her face looked so real that it felt authentic. I think this was the best performance of both the actors in their career so far. I, as an audience, felt honesty in their performance. The emotion of love, suspicion, and fear reflected on their faces so well. It never felt there was an overacting on the scene, and Arjun Kapoor looked authentic in his role too. Dibakar Banerjee knows very well how to make use of his actors best way possible. The scenes and acting felt so minimalistic, which makes you feel that they are not more than an ordinary people who got themselves into trouble. And that's the thing about Dibakar Banerjee. He does not opt for an overhead Bollywood drama, but rather sticks to the real side of a story. I feel bad for Pandit Chopra and Arjun Kapoor that they are being targeted for the work they have done in their past. I also feel bad because they avoided the promotion of the film for no apparent reason. Coming to senior actors who played a significant role is Raghuveer Yadav and Neena Gupta as uncle and auntie respectively. After watching both on the screen, I promptly went to Fulera Gaon of Panchayat. God, such a great series. I recommend you to watch it if you haven't already. I enjoyed watching them both when they were on the screen, complimenting Parineeti Chopra and Arjun Kapoor. The perfect tone of Raghuveer Yadav and Neena Gupta showed the patriarch version of our society. There are two more characters and I want to mention them because of their acting skills. They really stood out because there is not a lot of work they had done in Bollywood. Nihal, played by Dev Chauhan, and Munna, who is son of Nihal Singh, played by Rahul Kumar. Fun fact, Rahul Kumar is the same guy who played Millimeter in Three Idiots. The acting of these two characters was like cherry on the cake. I really like to see more of them in the future. Jaideep Ahlawat falls under the segment of a mature actor like Manoj Bajpayee, Pankaj Tripathi. So there is no uncertainty, he looked natural on camera for his part. Ironically, when I thought about mature actors, I immediately went to the cast of Gangs of Wasseypur. That movie is a masterclass of cinema. Coming back to our film, there is so much potential, but unfortunately, the film is getting thrashed on IMDb and it has only 4.3 ratings as of now. Hopefully, it will improve in future, and I recommend you to watch this film. I feel really proud to say that Parinti Chopra have come a long way from her first release, Ladies vs. Ricky Behel. This time, she really stood out from all of her previous performances. I am now eager to see a consistency in her roles in terms of acting. Saina is her next release and I'm looking forward to see her again. So we are done for this video guys. Please share your thought in comment section. How do you like the movie? Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.